How to start video editing for beginners fast. If you're looking to dive into the world of video editing without any delay, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to get started quickly and efficiently. First, choose the right software. For beginners, intuitive options like iMovie for Mac users or Adobe Premiere Rush and DaVinci Resolve for both PC and Mac offer simple interfaces perfect for learning the basics. Once you've installed your chosen software, gather your raw video footage. Organize your files into folders to ensure easy access and prevent cluttering. Next, import your video clips into the editing software. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the timeline. It's where the magic happens. Drag and drop your video clips to the timeline to begin. Now, let's talk about trimming. This is an essential skill to make your video flow smoothly. Use the blade tool to cut unnecessary parts of your footage. Pay attention to your video's pace, adjusting the clip length to maintain viewer engagement. Transitioning between clips adds finesse to your edits. Simple transitions like cuts, fades, or dissolves can give your video a professional touch. Remember not to overdo it to keep it elegant and clean. Consider adding text or titles to your video. It's a great way to communicate additional information. Stick with easy-to-read fonts and ensure they complement your video style. Don't forget about audio. Background music or voiceovers can significantly enhance your video's appeal. Balance the audio levels to ensure clarity and adjust the volume for an even audio experience. Lastly, preview your video to catch any mistakes. Make final adjustments as necessary before exporting the file. Choose the right format and resolution based on where you'll upload or share your video. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.